Sneakerheads, what's going on? It's your boy PumaVision23 coming back at you with another review. Before I get started, I want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel, checking out some of my content. If you like what you see, sub up to the channel, leave me some comments down below, man. But without further ado, what y'all see from the title, what I got on hand, man. The Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, women's exclusive, got them early, set to release December 1st, 2022. See the box. Regular Jordan 5 box. I think the 6 is coming this as well, if I'm not mistaken. But let's go ahead and get into it. Inside your box, you're gonna get that lot number and then your quality control stamp. Regular paper, and look at these. These are fire, man. These are fire. Let me go ahead and take them out for y'all so we can go over these joints. These are fire. When I saw these sitting at my local Nike store out here in Seoul, I had to pick them up, man. I wanted this pair, but I'll give y'all a good look at them real quick before we go over them. All right, so we're gonna start off with this one. All right, so on this shoe, material-wise, I have to give it a solid 9. Just because whenever it comes to suede shoes, I use a lot of Crep Protect to protect my shoes, like my Off-White 4s, Travis Scott 4s, things like that. But this comes with that waterproof material. This shoe was actually supposed to be, well, it is a winter's release. It's supposed to help you keep your feet dry. So, you know, suede is real buttery. You see that? You see that movement on them joints? But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So, bottom of a sole, you got that off-white, piss yellow type sole. Reads Jordan at the bottom. Moving up to your netting, same thing. You got that off-white, piss yellow color. Now, when you move down to the midfoot, you got that black speckling with the red shark teeth. Back of the shoe, you got that red Jumpman. Of course, front of the shoe, you got your black laces. This shoe does not come with extra laces. You got your reflective tongue. Behind the tongue, you actually have your Air Jordan in red, fire red, I'm sorry. Moving down into the insole of the shoe. Should not come with a shoe tree. It's going to come with a paper insert. Let's see. Gore-Tex on your insole. No Jumpman. Material is a little different on this as well. It kind of feels like felt material. But yeah, that's the back of that. Now this was what I thought was kind of neat. I kind of thought this was neat. Inside of the shoe has Gore-Tex fabricated with recycled material. So if you guys see that, I felt like that was kind of dope. Now, the one takeaway I do have on this shoe is the Gore-Tex on the side. I felt like they could have gave us 23 on both sides of the shoe, but you know, it's whatever. This one, if you guys can see, give you 23 on that one. Overall, like I said, I give it a solid 9, man. As far as materials go, it's not too bad. I actually like it. I think it's gonna look really good on feet. I said I'm gonna put these on feet for you guys so you can see what they look like. If you're going after them, again, I said the release is December 1st, 2022. Retail price is gonna be $220 off the hip, man. So y'all going for them, you know, I'm pretty sure y'all won't have to stand in line for them. Check out some of them StockX prices. I really don't know the prices on StockX or Go at the moment. But yeah, if y'all going after these, I think it goes up to a size 12 in women, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, if you're going after them, go ahead, snag them up, man. Add them to y'all collection. But I'm gonna go ahead and add these on feet real quick for y'all so y'all can see what they looking like. I appreciate y'all stopping in, checking out my videos, and rocking with your boy, man. Y'all like what y'all see? Sub up to the channel, man. Leave me some feedback. To the next one, y'all stay blessed. Peace.